personnel, by the faculty, and non-teaching staff of the various departments of Bicol University.
No, I'm jumping out of bed, yeah. And I know I sound dramatic, yeah. But I know I have it, yeah. For the money in my side, yeah. I mean, it's already everything comes
happy birthday and congratulations. Thank you for being so brave. Wish you all the best. Kaya naman klase mo na kagusta mo. Makakuanin, puso na career na always down to earth sana. As in, di malingaw sa mahal na Diyos. Thank you so much. So, muna po, makaranganan na po kita. Pasensya na po sa video na late kita sa bigyan. Tara, may lunch, may afternoons na. Kaya magpasawa kita sa kanan. Hindi marunong po kita. Thank you so much and thank you all for coming.
Yung mga ganon. So, hindi na lang tayo mag-complain. Kumbaga, gawa na lang natin ng paraan. So, which is yun yung ginawa ko for today. So, ginawa ko na lang siyang slidely video, yung mga photo. So, and of course, ano na lang tayo, voice over na lang para hindi naman kayo boring during the playing of video. So, ayan, mga personal, mga personal photo with my family, with his friend, with his classmate, and of course, ayan, ipon-ipon, kumbaga. So, ayun yung mga kaganapan during that time. Masaya, to be honest. Kaya nga last week, I was so very busy because I have Zoom with them. And at the same time, of course, nag-uusap din kami through video call or whatsoever. So, yun yung mga pangyayari. So, actually, this slightly video is mixed already. There was during occasion and of course, also during the ceremony on graduation day. So, tagni ko na lang, tama ba yung word kung Tagalog? So, I'm not really sure about it. But anyway, so this is my son and of course, yung during the ceremony sa school nila. And unfortunately, yun na nga, hindi ako nakauwi. Because there's many obstacle that during the situation. But anyway, sabi ko nga yan there will be, right time for everything. So, ayan, yung mother ko, and of course, yung hipag ko, ayan, nagbibigay ate ng, parang speech para sa anak ko, and of course, pasasalamat na rin. And I think that's the only thing I could share here during this time. Napuputol dahil, nagbablank din ang aking isip ko ano yung sasabihin ko actually. Ang hirap din pala, to be honest, yung mag-voice over ka sa ginagawa mong video. Pero, ayun na nga. Ako'y na lang. I really accept na lang kung ano yung mga binigay nila, mga itinerary. Yan, nag-ibos sila. Mahilig yan mag-ibos dyan, mga taga-Bicol. Pag may mga special occasion, yung mama ko. Saka, gumawa ng salad, of course. Ayan, buko salad. Ayan. And then at the same time, mixed photo. So, para mag-gather na lang. And of course, pag nasa YouTube kasi natin, hindi siya, pwede mo siyang paulit-ulit na ipanood. Kasi, di ba, yun na yung uso ngayon. Hindi na uso yung ng picture. So, ayun guys, ito naman yung doon sa during ceremony ng aking anak. So, it's mixed photos. Ayan. Ito naman during sa bahay namin, sa family home. So, yun doon sila nag-celebrate kasi nga, sa bahay ko is medyo maliit yung area. Especially yung yung sa ground ba. Maliit ang area at saka may mga taong ibang nakatira doon. Sa baba at saka doon sa taas. So, yun, kaya hindi ako makapag-gather doon